Ever wondered if your everyday spending could actually put money back into your pocket? What if I told you there's a super simple way to do just that, without extra effort, without selling anything, and without needing a huge investment? Intrigued? Good. Because today, we're diving deep into Beam Wallet, and I'm going to show you exactly how this seemingly ordinary app can become your secret weapon for earning real money. You see, in a world full of complex investment schemes and side hustles that demand all your free time, Beam Wallet offers a refreshing alternative. It's not about trading stocks, it's not about cryptocurrency, and it's definitely not about multi-level marketing. Beam is about smart spending, rewarding you for purchases you're already making. Think of it as a loyalty program on steroids, designed for the digital age and accessible right from your smartphone. So, how does it work? At its core, Beam Wallet partners with various businesses, from your favorite coffee shops to big retail stores, and even online services. When you make a purchase at one of these participating merchants using Beam, you instantly earn a percentage of your spend back as Beam credit. This isn't just points that gather dust, this is real, spendable money that accumulates in your wallet. Let's break down the earning process into actionable steps. First, you'll need to download the Beam Wallet app from your App Store. It's free, and the sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll want to link your preferred payment methods, think debit cards, credit cards, even mobile money options, depending on your region. This is crucial because it's how Beam tracks your eligible purchases. Don't worry, security is a top priority, and your financial information is encrypted and protected. Next, explore the app. You'll find a list of all participating merchants in your area or online. This is where the magic truly begins. Before you make a purchase, simply check if the store is a Beam partner. If it is, and you use your linked payment method, the cashback is automatically applied. No need to scan QR codes, no fumbling with loyalty cards, it's seamless. The beauty of Beam lies in its simplicity and automation. Imagine you grab your daily coffee. If that coffee shop is a Beam partner, you're earning money back on a purchase you were going to make anyway. Buying groceries? Ordering takeout? Filling up your car? All these routine expenses can become opportunities to earn. The more you use Beam at participating stores, the faster your earnings accumulate. What can you do with your earned Beam credit? That's the exciting part. Once you've accumulated a certain amount, you can redeem it for various rewards. This often includes discounts on future purchases at Beam partners, or in some cases, you can even transfer the funds directly back to your bank account or use them for mobile top-ups. The redemption options vary, but the core idea remains: your everyday spending transforms into tangible value. Beyond direct cashback, Beam sometimes offers special promotions, bonus rewards for reaching certain spending milestones, or even referral bonuses if you introduce friends to the platform. These can significantly boost your earning potential, turning a good deal into a fantastic one. It's about being a smart consumer, leveraging an app that genuinely rewards your loyalty. So, if you're looking for a simple, low-effort way to put a little extra cash in your pocket without changing your spending habits dramatically, Beam Wallet is definitely worth exploring. It's a passive income stream that integrates seamlessly into your daily life, proving that sometimes, the easiest ways to earn are right in front of us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.